Hey, Elepreneurs, how are you all doing today? I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to sign up a new Elepreneur. I have started this on the actual elepreneur.com/no ID. So if somebody were to go to just the generic website with no ID, this is what will happen. When you go up top and click join, it's going to prompt them to put in your ID. So I'm just going to go ahead and put mine for video purposes, and I put my wrong name. Okay, so then it's going to prompt you to go to this page, which is where they will pick out their enrollment pack. Let's just say we're going to do the Happier pack for $4.99. You scroll on down, you click the next button. Then it's going to prompt them to do their map, which is their Autoship. If they are not on their Autoship, chances are they're not going to get paid. You must have a minimum of 40 BV to get paid monthly. And that's just the basics. We'll get into the more complex later on in your booklet. So let's just say we're going to add the Xanthomax and a stick bag and an Elevate tub for my Smart Ship or Maps order. Then I'm going to click next. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and put in some false information so we can get all this completed. And I am just going to fill this out just for purposes here. I think it filled everything out. Okay, good. Click next. All right, well, let's try a different email. Now it's going to come and it's going to ask me for my billing information and to create your password. And I'm not going to put all this in because I do not need to order a Happier pack at this moment. But once you do all that, you submit payment and your order is complete. Thank you.